Welcome to this video on AI domains and applications. Today we will go through the exercises for Chapter 1, covering the foundational concepts of artificial intelligence. Let's begin with our first 3 multiple-choice questions. Regression is the technique used for predicting numerical values. Computer vision is the domain that handles images and videos, and clustering is the method used to group similar data together. Moving on to questions 4 and 5. In classification, the model predicts predefined categories. When it comes to evaluating an AI model, the test dataset is the one used for the final assessment. Next, let's complete these fill-in-the-blanks. Regression predicts continuous values. Clustering works without labels. Computer vision processes images and videos. Natural language processing, or NLP, focuses on human language, and a dataset is divided into training, validation, and test sets. Now for some short answer questions. The key difference between classification and regression is that classification predicts categories, while regression predicts numerical values. Clustering is defined as grouping similar data points without labels, such as categorizing customers by their shopping habits. Continuing with short answer questions, datasets are vital because they allow AI systems to learn patterns. The steps in computer vision include image collection, pre-processing, feature extraction, model training, and finally, prediction. NLP supports systems like chatbots, translation services, and voice assistants. Let's review these true or false statements. It is false that regression predicts categories, and false that clustering is a supervised learning method. It is true that desk data is used for evaluation. Computer vision can detect object locations, and NLP can analyze sentiment in text. Can you identify the AI domain? Analyzing MRI scans falls under computer vision. Text summarization uses natural language processing. Recommending products and grouping customers based on buying behavior utilize data science, while chatbots are powered by natural language processing. This mind map summarizes our chapter. Artificial intelligence branches into data science, computer vision, and natural language processing, which all lead to various real-world AI applications. Congratulations on completing the exercises for Chapter 1. Keep practicing, keep learning, and continue exploring the exciting field of artificial intelligence. Share, like, comment, and subscribe the channel for more educational videos.